So, hello everyone. This is our new topic which is called measure of position called percentile. So, what is percentile? Sabi dito, percentile are the 99th score points which divide the distribution into 100 equal parts. So, it is used to characterize the value according to percentage below them. So, when we say percentile, this is percent. For example, sabi dyan, the first percentile, which is called P1, separate the lowest 1% from 99%. Then second percentile or P2, separate the lowest 2% from 98%, and so on. So, paano nga ba natin visualize kung ano itsura ng percentile? So, if you do remember our previous topics, we have quartile, no? Then, we have also decile. Decile po yung D. And lastly, we have percentile. So, percentile, kung titignan nyo lang po, the value of decile is just like the value of percentile. Kung ano po yung nakalagay na number dito. So, kung tignan nyo po ito, so, if this is decile 1, so this is equivalent to percentile 10. Decile 2 is equivalent to percentile 20, and so on. So, hanggang decile 9 to percentile 90. So, ganun po siya. So, let's do an example for this. So, the example sabi dyan, find the 30th percentile of the score of the student in mathematics activity such as 12, 7, 8, 9, 12, 14, 15, 11, and 13. So, paano nga ba natin ito isa-solve? Parehas lang po ito ng mga previous topic. Kaya pahahapyawan lang natin. So, so by the way, what is the formula? We can use the formula of PK, or P sub K is equal to K over, since this is percentile, gagamit tayo 100. Then, N plus 1. Parehas lang po siya ng formula. Kung titignan nyo po, ang pinagkaiba lang ay yun nasa baba. Okay? To solve this one, the first thing you need to do is to arrange the data into ascending order. So, paano natin gagawin yun? A-arrange lang natin from lowest to highest number. So, we have 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 12, 13, 14, and lastly 15. Tama nga lang ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, by the way, 9 yung N natin. So, using the formula, we have P, K is equal to K over 100. Then, N plus 1. So, sabi dito, we need to find the 30th percentile. So, ang gagawin lang natin, ito yung gagamitin natin as our K. So, we have P30 equals 30 over 100. Then, our N is 9. 9 plus 1. Lagay lang po natin, we have 30 over 100. 9 plus 1, that is 10. So, we have 30 times 10. We have 300 over 100. So, the value here is just P30. So, 300 divided by 100, that is 3. So, the position of our percentile 30, that is 3. Kung bibilangin natin, so we can find the P30 value is equal to Uh, so we have 3. Bilangin lang natin. 1, 2, 3. So, the P30 value is 9. Mag-iwan po ako ng isang seat work, ha? Pakisagutan na lang po. So, this is the seat work. Pakipost na lang para masagutan nyo na maayos. Sabi dito, find the 50th percentile of the score of student in their mathematics quiz. Such as, sabi dyan, we have 12, 7, 8, 9, 12, 14, 15, 11, and 13. Parehas lang po ang data na ginamit ko dyan. So, thank you for listening and goodbye.